Hi everyone, welcome to Angie's activity number 4. In this one, we are going to be practicing beginning word sounds. So notice how the first letter of every word is missing. That's what you're trying to find. If you want to follow along with us, remember, have a parent, click on the link in the description and you'll be able to download a copy of this for yourself. Again, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Without much further ado, here's Angie.
Hello, everybody. My name's Angelica, and I'm 4 years old, and I'm doing an activity today. Yeah, jazz. I'm like a rock star.
You're like a rock star?
Yeah.
Do you remember what this activity is about?
No.
Okay, well, we're going to see here, there's little pictures, right? These little pictures belong to these words here. But these words here, they have a missing letter. They have a missing letter. It's the letter at the beginning. So we have to think about the sound that the word makes.
Okay.
And then we can decide what letter goes there.
That is a kitten.
Yeah, it's a cat, right?
Cat.
What letter does it start with?
C.
Yeah, so you're going to type a C there.
C?
Yeah, watch what happens when you type it in. What happened?
It just got in here.
Yeah, now it says cat.
Yeah. Pig.
That's the sound a pig makes?
Yeah, that kind of sounds like Peppa Pig, like.
Yeah.
Because it kind of looks like Peppa Pig.
And what's the beginning word sound for that one? Pig.
P.
P.
So you gotta put a P here. The P is right here.
Uh-huh.
So if I do that, it goes here.
Is that cool?
Yeah, tiger. T.
Yeah, T.
T. It's right here.
So your letters to choose from are C, P, or T.
C, P, or T.
So what's the next one?
Cow. Cow. Tell me what kind of letter.
Cow. So is that C? P? Yeah, C. Good job.
C again. So the C is right here. Now we'll go with moon.
Mm-hmm. What's the next one?
Crab. It has the pinchies.
The pinchies.
That's the R.
Uh-huh. But what does crab?
R.
But remember, it's either C, P, or T. Crab.
T.
Trab. That would be t. T is t. P is p. Crab.
Crab.
Which letter makes a sound?
Oh, C.
Yeah.
2 C's.
Another C.
Yay.
What's this one?
That kind of looks like a roll ball or a hedgehog.
A hedgehog?
Oh. Yeah, a baby hedgehog, because that kind of looks like it has a diaper.
A hedgehog with a diaper? Okay.
Yeah, because it looks like a baby one. It looks like a baby hedgehog with crazy hair.
We'll see. Okay,
And
what word is this?
Pear.
Pear. Pear.
P.
Yeah.
Enter.
What's this?
Cake.
Are you sure it's cake?
Yeah.
It's pie.
Oh, pie. I'm pretending.
It could have been cake, but
yeah.
Pie. What does pie start with? Pie.
P.
Pie. Yeah.
What? 2 P's?
What's this?
Candy.
Candy. Candy.
C.
C. What do you think it is now?
I still think it's a hedgehog with a diaper.
A hedgehog with a diaper? Okay.
With crazy hair on top of its head and
All right.
on its butt.
Let's see. What word is that?
Tooth.
Tooth.
T.
Yeah.
T.
And what's the last one?
Toilet.
It's a toilet. What?
A toilet. It's a toilet.
Toilet. What does toilet start with?
T.
Yeah. Last one. Let's see if you get a hedgehog with a diaper. What is it?
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn. Do you like it?
I thought it was a hedgehog with a diaper right here.
That's very cool.
Right here on the butt.
Do you want to say anything to your friends? Remember, it's over now.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for enjoying this activity with me. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.
Awesome. Bye. Bye so much for following along with Angie. We hope you had a blast and that you considered joining us on the next video. If you missed any of the first ones, just go back through and find them. All of the activities are free to download. Just have a parent click on the link in the description. Again, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.